This video is F12. It's going to help you with doing division story problems. So let's try this one out. Dad is building a fence around the field below. How much fence does he need? Well, since it's a fence and it's going around, both of those tell me that we're doing a perimeter problem. So I need to add all the sides. If the left side is 400, this side also must be 400. If the bottom is 850, this side must be 850. So I got 850 plus 850. And I got 400 plus 400. Well, that's an easy one. 400 plus 400 is 800. 850 plus 850 is 1617, 1,700. So then I need to add my 1,700 and my 800. And I'm now at 2,500 feet. 2,500 feet. Takes 7 wheels to make a Baja buggy. How many can you make from a truckload of 870 wheels? Okay, so I'm starting with 870 wheels. I'm putting them in groups of 6 because every 6 makes a Baja buggy. So how many groups of 6 can I make? Right away I see 100 groups of 6 would be 600. And I'm now at 270. And then I see I can't do another 100. I can't do 50. How about 20? 20 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12 with a 0 appended. I'm now at 150. Oh, we can do another 20 groups of 6 for 120. And we're now at 30. 5 groups of 6 equals 30. And we're done. And we made 120, 140, 145 Baja buggies. You need 6 players on a volleyball team. How many teams can you make if 78 people sign up to play? So we're going to take the 78 people and we're going to put them into groups of 6 because you need 6 on each team. We're not really cutting people apart. We're just splitting them up into groups of 6. Right away I see I can do 10 groups of 6 for 60 and then I'm at 18. 6, 12, 18. That would be 3 groups of 6. And I'm done. And my answer would have been 13 teams. Mom has 80 feet of wooden timbers. If she makes the flower bed 8 feet wide, how long will it be? So I know we're starting with 80 feet of these timbers. We're going to use some up. So right now, since the left side is 8, I also know that side is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. I'm going to subtract, and I find out that we got 64 feet left. But that's to do this bottom question mark and the top question mark. So really I'm going to be taking 64 divided by 2. So I see 20 groups of 2. 20 times 2 would be 40. I'm at 24. Well, I can do 10 groups of 2 for 20. And now I'm at just plain old 4. And 2 times 2 gets me a 4. And I'm done. I add them up. 10, 20, and 2. That equals 32 feet. So if it's 8 feet wide, it's going to be 32 feet long. Take a look at this one. The tank can go 8 miles on a gallon of gas. How far can it go on 256 gallons? Are we splitting anything up? No. So don't get tricked. I got 256 gallons of gas. And every time I use 1 gallon, he goes 8 miles. So that's 808 times 256. So I'm going to come down here and make an area model. So I got 200 plus 50 plus 6 times 8. Pin 2 zeros. 8 times 2 is 16. Pin 1 0. 8 times 5 is 40. No zeros to a pin. And 6 times 8 is 48. And I just need to add these up. 1600. 448. And when I add those up, I'm going to get 2,048 miles.